Hello, I am Rayhan, a dedicated video editor with over 5 years of experience. I started my journey at Gov. Akbar Ali College, where I earned my BBA. I am certified on LinkedIn and Fiverr, showing my commitment to great video editing. I can handle everything from coming up with ideas to creating the final video. I make sure every part of the video tells a story and connect with the audience. I work on commercial, documentaries and corporate videos, bringing a wide range of skill to each project. I use top software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects and CapCut. I do everything from editing and color grading to sound design and visual effect, making sure each project looks and sound amazing. Right now, I am working with Puredevs, a leading web development company, where I am improving my editing skill and teamwork. If you are looking for a professional video editor, check out my bio or description or first comment for my contact details. Thank you for your time.